Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 22nd, 2020. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today is Earth Day, which is very exciting, so make sure to try and get outside today and respect our Earth. Now it is time for the school theme song. A green and white, 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 a green and white. One's off for school, the greatest school. 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 In East Brunswick, in New Jersey, there is one stop for school. We show kindness to everyone to make our future bright. A green and white, 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 a green and white. Teachers, staff, and parents too help make our future bright. Fine upstanders who set examples help make our future bright. One's up for school, the greatest school. 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 Nice job, everyone. Let's take a look at today's plan. So for math, you are watching my video on fractions on a number line, and then you are doing drag racing day 2. And remember, the worksheet is attached here. You guys did a really nice job yesterday on drag racing day 1. You are more than welcome to send me your worksheets when they're completed, but you also do not have to. And then today in language arts, you're synthesizing your notes from both of your books on your subtopic and typing them in your synthesis research organizer. So let's take a look to see what that looks like. So all your hard work should be here for Monday and Tuesday. And then if you scroll down, you'll see synthesis of subtopic Wednesday. This is the same subtopic you've been working with this whole week, and you're just combining the most important facts from up here that really tell people about your animal, that can help them learn about your animal. And you have your may-dos that you can do. You can do your fact fluency, your optional freckle assignment, any games. You can write any genres of stories that we've done, and you can always read fictions, and your virtual field trip is touring Hawaiian volcanoes, which is a fun one. A lot of you have done our rainbow scavenger hunt, so shout out to Isha, Bella, Isabella, and Ronan. You guys did an awesome job on our rainbow scavenger hunt. I love seeing all the things around the house. Bella, I thought it was funny how you had a big bottle of Germ-X for your something green. That's very fitting for the times we're in right now. So you can share your findings on our Flipgrid. And remember to honor our Helping Heroes of the Week and tweet it. So here is my picture thanking doctors, nurses, and all healthcare professionals with chalk. So I tried to make it creative. And finally, remember to think about how you can spread kindness and your positive attitudes throughout this earth right now. So kindness rocks. This is something I found on the beach. Someone decorated rocks, and you can do something like that. Try to be creative, and I'm looking forward to see what you do, especially on Earth Day. You have a lot of options of what you can do to make this earth a better place and to spread kindness and cheer. I hope everyone has a good day. Good luck.